Hi guys, I want to show you the tutorial for this trick. It's a video response to the card trick. This is Roy Raffaelli. He performed his jumping gem. It's a great trick. You need these 4 cards. 2 hearts, 10 of spades. The better way is you take 2 jokers, but he takes 2 king and that make the save. Take the 2 hearts, on the bottom 10 of spades, and then on the bottom the 2 kings. First, what you do is make this move. Take the 2 hearts on the bottom. Then you show them the 2 hearts on the bottom and make an arms count. And just bring the 2 hearts on the second position. So what you do is double lift. Show the 2 hearts on top. Take the top card, place them on the bottom. It's the 10 of spades. Snap or what you want, and the 2 hearts jumps to the top. Take the 2 hearts, the third position. Then you make a triple lift. Show them the 2 hearts. Then you make a double lift, 2 hearts. Take the top card on the bottom. Show the top card and say, look, there's also 2 hearts. Take the 2 top cards and place them on the bottom as 1. Then you make again a double lift, the 2 of spades. Take the top card there and again this move, the top card. Then you take the 2 hearts on the bottom of the 10 of spades. And take these 2 cards on the bottom of the kings. So this is the next setup. 2 kings, 10 of spades, 2 hearts. Then you make a triple lift. Show them the 10 of spades. Take the top card in the hand. Make a double lift. Take the top card again in the hand. Look at the 1 card. Then when you turn over, take the bottom card. So the 2 of spades and show them again the 3rd card. Then you make this move, show the bottom, take the top, show the bottom, take the top, show the bottom, take the top, show the top. And then what you do, you have this order. So the next thing what you do is take the top and the bottom card and show them the 2 middle cards as 1. Look, there's a king. Place the top 1 card on the bottom. Take the 2 bottom cards, these 2, show, look, there's another king. Then you make the rest, you say, here's the 3rd king and there's the 4th king. So, thank you for watching.